DRAGONOID Colossus has 4 powerful battle gear. The gears are Axatorque here, which once fused with Blitz Dragonoid. Nukix gear that goes compatible with this Bakugan trap. Battle-X Dragonoid. That looks amazing. It's like Jet Core. The next battle gear is my favorite, otherwise known as Beam Blitzer. Let's try that again. I can't believe I'm going to do this 3 times. This battle gear is my favorite. And lastly, the tail of DRAGONOID Colossus, codenamed Blasteroid. Just spin this around here. There we go. Looks like a stinger, or at least a really long tail. You decide which battle gear goes great on Battle-X Dragonoid. You ever asked what Jet Core looks like on DRAGONOID Colossus? Let's find out.